we're good to go.
Who's this?
This is VB. How's the view from outside, mate?
Pretty good, pretty good.
So, alright, this is a lift off.
Welcome to 12 Apostles Helicopters, guys. My name's Ben.
Hey Ben.
We're off today on a roughly 15-minute flight to the London Bridge and back. Feel free to chat or ask any questions along the way. Just make sure the microphone's nice and close to your mouth.
Oh, beautiful.
Hey, this is legit.
Oh,
mate.
Yeah.
Now you'll see the Apostles to your left and to your right as we come across the cliff here, guys.
Yeah.
Now the Apostles were originally called the Sow and the Piglets. Back in 1950 they changed the name to the Apostles to try and attract more visitors to the area. We never actually had 12 Apostles though, we've only ever had 8. People assumed because of the reference in the Bible to 12 Apostles that there must be 12 rocks here.
Oh, okay.
That was never the case, and today there are only 7 Apostles remaining after one collapsed back in 2005.
7.
Only 7 remaining.
I told Abby
So
was
the
right.
final Apostle is this one passing now on the right. You'll see them all nicely lined up again when we come back. And from here the rocks have their own individual names. So the first 2 there coming up are called the Twin Sisters, followed by the Salt and Pepper Shaker,
Yeah.
and the Razorback is the long skinny one.
Nice.
Those one. Mr. Bishnoi. Okay. That little bit
Very
scared.
nice.
I think you got scared a little bit.
No. Wow.
Where's the London Bridge at?
That's a little bit further up, that's where we'll be turning around, so I'll point that out when we get there.
Okay.
This triangular piece of rock on the right here is called Baker's Oven. This is named after the wood fire oven shaped hole in the base of the rock there.
Okay.
What's our altitude?
We're currently at 500 feet. This large rock on the right here is called Sentinel Rock. This is the tallest rock in the Port Campbell National Park, standing at over 70 metres tall.
Okay.
That's roughly the size of a 20-storey building.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, that's it.
3-story building, mate.
20 stories.
Yeah, very tall. You can compare it to the car there on the Great Ocean Road. It's very, very big.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Oh. Are the winds are too high?
No, it's not too strong, but it is pretty windy today.
Yeah.
Have a few bumps, but nothing to be worried about.
Can we wave to the camera as well? Where is that?
Yeah, you can wave to the camera. There's one at the front here. You can give it a wave. And the one just above my head on the left. You can wave to the top one there as well.
Wow! Abby, look there.
Yes.
Hey.
Wow!
Why your hands are so cold?
Yeah, no, that's okay.
No,
Oh, very nice.
not very nice.
Very nice.
In front of us there, you can see the arch coming off that cliff.
Yep.
Another famous feature of this coastline. Very, very big archway. We could fly this helicopter through the middle. Not today though.
Have you done that before?
No, never tried. But it is big enough.
Oh, what's the name of this helicopter?
This is called an Airbus H130.
H130.
Yeah, 130.
130.
That's
Oh,
it.
yeah, that's it.
Did you name it something?
No, it doesn't have its own name. Just the registration.
But the beast.
Same as a car.
It's a good car. It can
Yeah.
fly.
It's an expensive car.
Flying car, we call it.
So this big rock coming up on the right now is London Bridge. It was called London Bridge because it was once connected to the mainland and it looked like a double bridge. But back in 1990 it collapsed into the ocean, so we just have that single archway remaining now.
Yeah.
Almost like an island these days.
Okay.
So we'll turn around, you'll get a great view on the other side as well.
Okay.
Which is the London Bridge again? Taking a U-turn.
Yeah, that's it.
That's for Snapchat, so.
Take a U, man. Take a U.
Take a U.
Take a UE.
Hey, U-turn. In NSW, U-turn is not allowed. Victoria is okay.
In our
Right.
state, yeah.
We are coming from Sydney.
Yes, I'm from Sydney as well.
Okay, yeah, okay,
Good stuff.
nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a London Bridge. Now I can see.
Yeah, that's it.
What's up?
Atul,
What up, what up? Ah,
look at the ocean
what a
at 3 o'clock.
Ah. Oh, mate.
Oh, man. I'll just forget my phone in the bag. Otherwise, I would have
Yeah.
gone on Facebook Live.
We can notice
Okay.
the difference in
Facebook
ocean
Live.
color as well. Somewhere it's dark and somewhere it's like bit, you know.
Yeah, it's to do with the clouds. A bit of shadows, but
Yeah.
closer into the shore it's quite shallow compared to further out where it gets very deep, so it changes the colour.
We are about at 500 feet.
We've gone a bit higher now, we're up to around 750 now, just
Okay.
to avoid any traffic coming the other way.
What?
He's been
Wow, that's nice. Wait, take the photo, Vishal.
You take the selfie, mate. That's why I was sitting in front.
Shut up. Yeah.
Here's Port Campbell on the left, guys.
Yeah.
Small town home to around 600 people. It does get very, very busy there in the summertime. Being very close to the Apostles, it's a popular place for tourists. Around 3,000 people
Oh.
staying there at any one time.
Okay.
More than the population.
The population is only around 600.
600. Yeah.
So a very small town.
Are you recording a video?
Yeah, we are recording.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, this is nice.
So over to the left you'll see a little inlet that's called Horseshoe Cove.
Yeah.
Oh, the small one.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So how was the weather yesterday here?
It was pretty similar to today, not as windy,
Okay.
but we had a few showers, but not too much. It was pretty good.
Yeah, so
Tomorrow looks like it's going to be worse.
okay.
Some rain and storms possibly.
Howji?
Alright. But today's better, isn't it?
Today's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
Bit windy, but no rain, which is good.
Yeah.
Look here.
What?
Shall
Yep.
you click pictures of these
Yep.
9 apostles?
Yeah, 9 apostles, yeah. You take picture
Seven.
here.
Take a
Atul.
pic.
Yo,
Click the picture.
You've got the
Mohan.
best view, mate. So take it.
Take a
No,
selfie.
no, not like
Nah.
that. Like
Pictures
that.
so this question mark shaped rock on the left, guys, is called Muttonbird Island.
Okay.
And just behind it, you can see Lockhart Gorge, which is a little beach named after a ship which sank here back in 1878. The
Oh,
two
look
survivors were rescued
Abby.
from the little beach there that you can see through the gap. Lockhart Gorge.
Till the apostles, mate.
So here are the apostles coming up now, guys.
Oh yeah.
See them all lined up. Number 1 is the big one on the left with the green flat top.
Uh-huh.
Shall give me the phone?
That's all.
It's with our tool.
Then number 2 with the pointy top.
Yep.
And apostles 3, 4, 5 and 6 are all in a little
3,
cluster
4,
there.
5, 6, 7, 8.
6 is the very small one. And then number 7, the one closest to the headland.
Yep.
In between the little 6 and the big 7, you can see just a pile of rubble. That's
Yeah.
all that remains of the 8th apostle, which fell down.
Okay.
And then just past the headland there are another 2 rock features. And they're actually called the Gog and Magog. Not actually classed as apostles themselves, but as separate rock features altogether.
Okay.
Ordered for us.
When did that
David.
happen, the apostle?
Dave, beta. Abhilasha.
Save them.
As we turn across the coast here, guys, you'll get a great view of the apostles on the left-hand side.
Yes, I would like that view. Didn't see it before.
Going close to the apostles.
So we are at 900 feet at the moment.
750, but we will be on descent now.
We're descending.
Mobile phone can give you a good idea.
Very good.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It changes with the air pressure as well.
It says 782,
Yeah, it's pretty close.
785 at the moment, yeah. Whoa.
Very nice. Oh.
Very nice. Atul.
Very nice. What?
Atul,
What up?
that phrase, very nice.
Thanks very much for flying with us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Excellent.
Once we're back on the ground, please remain seated and the ground staff will come and help you off the helicopter.
Thank you. Oh, look at
No
the
worries.
kettles. Yeah, look at the kettle down there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
They-
They look like toys. What is this, sheep or what?
Yeah, sheep.
Sheep.
Just about to have the lambs.
Yeah,
Just seen a few
lambs.
small ones already.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Sirdar ji aave.
That's a touchdown.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back on the ground, guys. Thanks very much.
Yeah. Thanks for that.
No worries.